Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change the color and background of your website text when you've selected it. If you want the text on the website to have the same color as the brand color when we highlight it, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Here, you can see that the default text highlight color is blue, which depends on the theme. To change this, you will need to go to the WordPress dashboard. Go to the Appearance tab and click on Customization. Open the Additional CS tab and write some CS code here. You can see the code here and customize it according to your preferences. Here, the background property is responsible for the background color of the highlighted text, and the color property determines the text color. You can modify these properties to match your brand colors. If you'd like, you can select your custom color from this website and copy the code to use it there. You can see here that our highlight color has been changed. When you finalize the colors, you can click on Publish to make the changes live. Now, you can visit your website and see that the text highlight color has been changed. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I'll be happy to provide answers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you.